If you're looking for a quick snack to bring to a holiday party, then you can look no further because these ranch seasoned pretzels are so addicting and secretly super simple to make. We'll first start by whisking up that sauce, so go ahead and grab a medium-sized bowl and add 4 tablespoons of melted butter. A dairy-free alternative such as vegan buttery sticks can be used. 1/4 cup of a mildly flavored oil such as avocado oil. 1 teaspoon of dried dill. And ranch seasoning. This is what makes up the bulk of the flavor for these pretzels. If you want, you can always just grab a store-bought packet, but many of these do contain MSG and other additives. So if you'd like to opt for a slightly healthier version, I'll show you really quick how to make your own at home. You can either grab the jar or container that you'll be storing it in, or another medium-sized bowl. Whatever you use, just make sure it's large enough to comfortably fit all of the ingredients. Add 1/3 cup of buttermilk powder. You can normally find this on the baking aisle next to the spices and seasonings. 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. 1 tablespoon of onion powder. And yes, you absolutely need both here, so don't try subbing one for the other. 2 teaspoons of dried parsley. 2 teaspoons of dried dill. 1 teaspoon of dried chives. This ingredient can be a little trickier to find at the store, so feel free to leave it out if you don't have it on hand. 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. You can always leave the salt out and add to taste when you use the seasoning mix in recipes. Whisk this all together until it's well combined, and scoop out 2 tablespoons of it. You can store the rest in a cool, dry place to use in other recipes later. Add the ranch seasoning to the bowl and whisk everything together until it's smooth and well combined. Add 1/2 pound of pretzels to a gallon-sized Ziploc bag. Roll over the edges of the bag so they don't get the sauce on them. And then pour half of the sauce on top. Feel free to use pretzel twist, sticks, or even a gluten-free brand if needed. Add the remaining 1/2 pound of pretzels and the rest of the sauce. Zip up the bag, leaving the air trapped in it, and then shake the pretzels until they are completely coated in the sauce. Pour the pretzels out onto a rimmed baking sheet that has been lined with parchment paper. Spread them out as evenly as you can in a single layer, and then bake in a preheated 275-degree oven for 18 to 20 minutes. Halfway through cooking, toss and flip the pretzels so none of the edges burn. I can't wait to dig in! Oh yeah. Oh my goodness, those were literally making me salivate. They are so good, full of that ranch flavor, and they were so quick and easy to make. But if you need a few more party food ideas, I have got you covered. You gotta check out these easy snacks and appetizers right over here. Thanks so much for hanging out. I will see you in the next one.